In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and utilize the Zoho CRM interface. First, let's get started by going to the Zoho CRM website. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Now, once you're logged in, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of your screen, which is your key to accessing all the features and functionality Zoho CRM has to offer. Hover your mouse over this left side menu, and you should see an option labeled Sales. Clicking on this will open up a wealth of tools critical to managing your sales process. Within this section, you can manage leads, contacts, accounts, and deals, as well as access forecasts, documents, and campaign management tools. Each of these elements plays a vital role in maintaining the health and efficiency of your sales operations. Next, let's move on to activities by clicking the corresponding icon or link. This is the section where you'll be spending a significant amount of your time if you're handling tasks, meetings, or calls. Having all your activities organized in the one place helps streamline your workflow and keeps you on top of upcoming engagements, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Afterward, navigate to the inventory section. Here you will find options related to products, price books, and quotes, along with the management of sales orders, purchase orders, invoices, and vendor relationships. This section is particularly beneficial if your business handles a variety of products or services and needs an efficient way to track and manage everything seamlessly. Clicking on Support will bring forth the Cases and Solutions area. This is an essential part of delivering top-notch customer service. By efficiently managing cases and crafting solutions, you're setting up your customer support function for success, resolving issues faster, and maintaining customer satisfaction. Let's now explore integrations, where you have access to features like Sales Inbox, social integrations, and site visits. This area can give you a broader perspective on how well your outreach is performing and how effectively you're engaging with prospects and customers across various platforms. Moving forward, the Services section provides yet another layer of functionality, this time focusing on the services you're managing within your CRM system. It's an area worth exploring to ensure you're utilizing all tools for the best output. Finally, let's touch on projects. Projects. This section allows you to manage and track your ongoing initiatives, helping keep your team aligned and informed about project timelines and goals. Effective use of the Projects module leads to better collaboration and timely completion of deliverables. As you can see, Zoho CRM offers a plethora of tools to enhance your business operations. Make sure to explore each section in detail to tailor its functionalities to your specific needs, ensuring that you leverage the platform for optimal productivity and growth. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you in making the most out of Zoho CRM.